circumference, the arc corresponding to a 30 degrees central angle is 2 centimeters. Work out the circumference length and its radius. Well, in this problem, we can see that there is no need to know the formula for the arc of a circumference, because here you can set a proportion between the angles and the lengths. We have at least two options. The first one, I think is the easiest one, is to state that 30 degrees, our angle, is to the whole center angle 360, the same as 2 centimeters, our length, is to the whole length of the circumference. It's going to be the result in centimeters. We can maybe use another proportion. I'm going to use this one to solve the problem. That says that 2 centimeters is to our angle 30 degrees, the same as the length of the circumference is to its angle 360. We have several combinations. In fact, if we want to write this as a formula, this proportion, we have to write this length as the length of the arc. The angle, we can say alpha, and it's the same as the length of the circumference over 360. We can use this other proportion for any problem using angles and lengths in the circumference. So let's work it out. If we multiply 30 times L, it's going to be 720. Then we divide in both sides by 30 and we get 24 centimeters. This is our first result. And then we want to find the radius, so we know that the length of a circumference is going to be 2 times pi times r. So in our case, 24 is going to be 2 times pi times r. If we divide in both sides by 2 pi, here we get 3.82 with many other decimal digits, but it's an approximation, good approximation. It's rounded to the hundreds for the value of r. Maybe I should write it that way to write centimeters.